Alrighty guys, it's the older Texas Star. It is 600. Everything's working on it. It's for my same amp customer. I did go through, I don't know who did the white stuff on the transformers. I did go through and adjust them, the capacitors. When I put transformers, these are some old pills, so MRS 454s. They're not going to do as much as the Toshiba boxes do, but it works good. It's a 1x4. Just to do a quick test review. Show you it's working. Worldwide. Now if you're looking for it to do like the new amps, it's not going to. It just ain't got the on. Alright, input tune. Worldwide. 1000 watt slug, PP. Worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down. So close to 600p. LP, worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, that's on high. I'm gonna hit the orange buttons I in them, that's the first low. Worldwide, 488. Sideband delay in the next low. Worldwide. Just give you an idea, she's all up and working. Worldwide, get on down. Well, there you go, bud. There's you another Texas Star up and going. Do a little video showing you how she's working. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye-bye.